Buongiorno from Trieste. And do you see that ship over there? That's the Norwegian Pearl from the Norwegian cruise line. And yesterday I saw that ship sailing away from Koper in Slovenia, where I also was. And I have took the bus after the ship has sailed, but I have arrived to Trieste, which is in Italy, a lot earlier than than this huge ship. And I find it interesting that it only traveled so little, but then again the ship guests, the cruise shippers will then enjoy a new country, Italy. It is 15th of October 2025 and we have a wonderful, lovely morning here in Trieste. I was here on a Saturday, 11th of October, and it was so crowded because it was some kind of event, sailing event. This here was full with people overall. So I'm glad that I came here today so I can also shoot some of my shorts in peace and quiet, as I can get sometimes a bit social anxiety when it's too much people. But obviously, as I'm posting stuff online, I'm not that shy. So I haven't been on the Norwegian Pearl as such. I have been on the Norwegian Epic and Norwegian Joy on my cruises. In the first one in Caribbean with Norwegian Epic, and then Panama Canal with Norwegian Joy. I'm not sure if I'm up for a cruise in Europe though, so I'm wondering when that will happen. So yeah, greetings from Trieste, Italy. Wonderful morning, and I will be going back to Sweden today, to Stockholm. Now it's time for me to explore the beaches of Trieste, which are not that many, but are in that direction towards the airport. So yeah, greetings from Trieste, and yeah, take care, bye.
Non è mai stato sindacalista, quindi